Hello students, here is the question. Let in a binomial distribution consisting of 5 independent trials, probabilities of exactly 1 and 2 successes be 0.4096 and 0.2048 respectively. Then the probability of getting exactly 3 successes is equal to. So here we have a binomial distribution and it has a n, that is total number of trials, to be equal to 5. And we are given probability of exactly 1 and 2 successes to be the respective values. So we know that the success rate, that is probability, plus the failure rate is equals to 1, correct? And it is given the probabilities of exactly 1 and 2 successes is this. So we are given the probability, and we know how to calculate the probability in the binomial distribution, because if there are 5 independent trials and there is one success, then the formula to find out the probability is phi c1, which is out of the 5 trials, one trial is successful, into the probability that one trial is successful raised to 1, q raised to 4, which is the probability of failure, is equals to the values given to us, which is this. And for similarly, we just put 2 1 in place of 2, and 4 is reduced by 1. So 5 independent trials, 2 successes, 2 raised to the power p, and q raised to the power 5 minus 2, that is 3. And this value is also known to us. Once we divide both these values, we get this, the relation, that is 2 by 2p is equal to 2, and we get the relation between q and p. Once we know that, we use this term, that success plus failure is equals to 1, the probabilities. So success probability is 1 by 5, failure probability is 4 by 5. So P, that is probability of exactly 3 successes, would be 5C3 P raised to 3 Q raised to 2. So 5C3 1 by 5 whole cube 4 by 5 whole square. So once we calculate this value, we get the answer to be 32 by 65. Answer B. Thank you.